Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Marcus, and today I'm featuring on the Cosmic Mic channel. In this video, we'll dive into electrical engineering design, focusing on the basics of circuit design with the Altistart 22 soft starter. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to our channel. We're going to enjoy this video and work on these devices like experts. Let's get started. We will explore the drive power requirements, the layout of the control terminals, control voltages, logic inputs, and the different types of control wiring for the drive. For more videos on circuit design, panel construction and design using AutoCAD electrical, and configuring the Altistart 22 and other soft starters, check out our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cosmic Mic. Power requirements. Connect the control supply, CL1 CL2, ensuring that it's off, according to the model number of the soft starter as shown in the table below. In the tables below, we have the ATS22Q rated for 230V/220V with a tolerance of plus 10% and minus 15%. This means the soft starter can tolerate a voltage increase of up to 10%. Let's calculate it. 10% of 230V is 23V. Adding this to 230V gives you 253V. Therefore, if the voltage exceeds 253V, the drive may fail. Check out my videos to see what happens to the drive at these voltages and learn how to avoid potential issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cosmic Mic for more insights. Let's calculate the low voltage tolerance for the ATS22Q soft starter, which is rated for 230V/220V with a tolerance of minus 15%. 15% of 230V is 34.5V. Subtracting 34.5V from the supply voltage of 230V gives you 195.5V. This means that a voltage below 195.5V is unhealthy for our drive. Stay tuned to see how to address this issue and ensure the proper functioning of your drive. Warning. Observe the cable cross-sectional areas recommended in the standards. The soft starter must be grounded to conform to the regulations concerning leakage currents. If the installation involves several soft starters on the same line, each soft starter must be grounded separately. Keep the power cables separate from circuits in the installation with low-level signals, sensors, PLCs, measuring devices, video, telephone. The control terminals are equipped with one-way plug-in connectors with a maximum connection capacity of 2.5 mm superscript 2, 12 AWG, and a maximum tightening torque of 0.5 Nm, 4.5 lbn. CL1 and CL2 are the ATS22 control power supply terminals, and we will incorporate a step-down control transformer rated at 380/220 VAC. The one-way connectors also hold a set of relays for controls, each with a maximum switching capability of 5A at 250 VAC or 30 VDC on a resistive load, power factor equals 1, 2A at 250 VAC or 30 VDC on an inductive load, power factor equals 0.4, and a minimal commutation capability of 100 mA at 12 VDC. It is mandatory that one of the relays, R1 or R2, must be set to trip. Li1, Li2 and Li3 are logic inputs with plus 24 VDC, featuring a floating 24 VDC, plus, and 1 to 3x 24V logic inputs with a 4.3 k ohms impedance. Umax equals 30V, Imax equals 8 mA. State 1 is defined by U greater than 11V and I greater than 5 mA, while state 0 is defined by U less than 5V and I less than 2 mA. The 24V power supply is limited to 42 mA for both internal and external use, with an accuracy of 24V plus or minus 6 VDC. The turn-on/off time delay includes hardware delay of less than 15 milliseconds and software delay of 70 to 85 milliseconds, anti-bounce. The third connector includes the PTC, which is responsible for motor overheat protection. The PTC probe connection, labeled PTC1 and PTC2, has a total resistance of 750 ohms at 25 degrees Celsius 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The step-down transformer is represented with any of these symbols, as we shall see further in the video. Now, let's look at the different methods of wiring the Altistart 22 soft starter. We have the 2-wire control and the 3-wire control configurations. Ensure to check the operating limits of the contact, especially when connecting to high-rating contactors. Insert a voltage transformer if the power voltage exceeds the Altistart 22's acceptable value. The transformer should have a minimum rating of 100 VA. For the two configurations, we will use the selector switch connected to Li2 while looped to 24 volts DC and Li1. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for a better understanding of drives and circuits.